Hi, my name is Sarvin son of Mukaya and my matric number is 08DEU20F2016. Today I am going to show you how to change a car battery. Before we get into installing car battery steps, let's see how to remove a car battery first. First and foremost, we can see that the battery is being located. Then the battery has been looked at one corner of the engine bay, either by the windshield or the front bumper or even on the either side of the car. A rectangular battery box which has two cables have been found and being attached to it. Refer to your owner's manual if you are not able to find the battery. Second of all, the negative cable is being disconnected and secure it with a cable tie. A minus sign near the negative battery terminal will be shown and it is usually black in color. Following that, the plastic cover has been removed and only if applicable the negative cable clamp is being loosened up with a wrench and has been sliding the cable of the terminal. Always remove the negative cable before the positive cable to prevent electrical shorts. Thirdly, the positive cable has been disconnected and been secured with a cable tie. A plus sign been marked on the positive terminal. Then, the plastic cover is being removed over the terminal only when the positive cable clamp been loosened up with a wrench and the cable taken off the terminal. Then the cable has been secured to the engine bay with a cable clamp. Make sure the positive and negative cables do not touch each other and do not allow them to touch anything made of the metal, as this can cause a dangerous electrical short. In the final step of removing car battery, the battery from the vehicle been moved out and the bracket have been inspected so that it secured the battery in place. Then the connectors have been removed which have been holding the battery to the bracket. Once all the fasteners are being removed, the battery is being lifted out and set it azure on a concrete surface. Now that we have learned how to remove the battery, let's get into installing a new battery for a car. Firstly, we have to make sure that the new battery is being secured to the bracket and have been greased the terminals. Now, the new battery is being placed in the battery tray and being secured it to the bracket. Now, the process is being simply reversed that have been used to remove the battery from the bracket. Make sure the battery is oriented the same way as the old one. On to the sixth step, the positive cable is being reconnected. Then the cable tie that secured the positive cable to the engine bay have been undone. The cable over the terminal have been tightened down with a wrench, following by a cover have been put on the terminal. When you are reconnecting the battery, always secure the positive terminal before the negative terminal so as not to inadvertently complete the electrical circuit before everything is connected. Now the negative cable are being reconnecting. The process to remove the cable tie and reattaching the negative cable to the negative terminal are being repeated. The clamp now has been tightened while the wrench and the negative cable are being made sure that it's coming into contact with anything metal because it could cause a dangerous electrical discharge. If your battery has a plastic cover, replace it at this time. In overall, we are onto the final step where the hood is being closed and the vehicle is being started. A check has been made that makes sure all the tools from under the hood have been removed and proceed to close the hood. Now the car should be starting to start up if you have done everything correctly. Make sure all of your electronic devices are working properly. Then reset your clock, radio and navigation system.